Hello, my name is David Gu and I am an accredited specialist in immigration law. In this video, I will give an overview of what options exist after a negative visa decision, such as a visa refusal or visa cancellation. Generally, if you have a visa application that wasn't successful and you applied it in Australia, and while you are in Australia, you will have the opportunity to apply for merits review at the AAT, and generally that's 21 days after the date of the decision. The function of the tribunal is to look at your case afresh. It's not about agreeing or disagreeing with the decision made by the department delegate. It is really look at your application afresh with all the material that you have provided in your application, as well as any material that you provide to the tribunal during the review process. The review process could, at the moment, take a very long time. It could be about 2 years on average at the moment. The power of the tribunal is not to grant you a visa. They cannot grant you a visa, but they purely look at your application afresh and decide whether the criteria in which your visa application was refused on is satisfied or not. And then if they are satisfied that you meet this particular requirement, your application is sent back to the department for further processing. Alternatively, in the unfortunate circumstances, if they come to the same conclusion that you do not satisfy the particular requirement, then your review is unsuccessful. On the other hand, if it was a visa cancellation decision, you will also have to be given the opportunity to apply for review at the AAT. The function of the AAT in that case is decide whether there was proper basis, proper ground for your visa to be cancelled, and if so, whether they should exercise the discretion. That is, they need to consider a range of other things to determine whether your visa should be cancelled or not. So that's the general gist of the tribunal's function. So it basically steps in the shoe of the department decision maker and you look at your application afresh.